Biolite Headlamp 200. Biolite Headlamp 200 is such a headlamp that it is not just an ordinary device but a combination of a bright, adjustable light and an impressively lightweight design. This feature makes it ideal for various activities like hiking, night fishing, or repairing tents at night. Several modes come with it, such as a red light that helps in seeing the things without disturbing the environment, and a wide beam for various tasks, thus making you ready whatever the night does to you. Can you picture it? You are trying to find your gear at 2 a.m. without this. But now, you see everything very well and at the same time, you are hands-free. The battery life is strong enough to survive a number of nights, and the adjustable strap makes sure that it will not slide and also will not feel bulky during long walks. It is one of those devices where the utility is not so obvious, but once you get it, you can't help it that you need it for your camping trips. Grayl Armor. Heat Fire Resistant Gloves. Grayl Armor. Heat fire resistant gloves are an enormous improvement for those people who have to deal with campfires, hot stoves, or even roasting marshmallows over open flames. They can withstand very high temperatures, thus your fingers are secure even when you're adjusting a hot pan or moving logs in a fire pit. Can you think about a scenario where you accidentally touch a hot grill or coals without these gloves? Well, that would be a very painful experience. These gloves come with a mixture of dexterity and protection, which means you can carry out delicate tasks without dropping or risking burns. The materials used in making the gloves are tough yet soft, which gives you the confidence to perform almost any cooking or fire-related task in the wilderness. Moreover, they look great, and nothing says prepared camper as much as fireproof gloves that really work. Therm-a-rest Neo Air Uberlite Sleeping Pad. The Therm-a-rest Neo Air Uberlite is an ultra-lightweight comfort that is no doubt the ultimate choice for campers who want to avoid bulk but still enjoy the luxury of a good night's sleep. Its small size makes it easy to carry around, but once you blow it up, you will be surprised by how solidly it cushions even the most uneven ground. Just think of a night on a super stiff floor without this pad. A painful back the next morning. Its reflective construction radiates your heat back to you, making it quite effective for chilly nights. It is no less reliable and durable than the rugged mountains that can take punctures. Yet you can blow it up with no effort and it is quite fast, so you don't lose your energy setting up camp after a long hike. The winning combination of being lightweight, comfortable, and warm makes it a stealthy weapon any hardcore adventurer can count on. Loop Gear SK05 Pro Flashlight. The Loop Gear SK05 Pro Flashlight produces a blinding light that could be likened to a ray of sunshine as it is so bright. Its versatility is unmatched as it can be used for both close-up and long-distance lighting, thus making the flashlight suitable for night navigation, the erection of tents, or even the spotting of night wildlife. Picture yourself walking a dimly lit path with an inadequate flashlight and then switching to this one. A total transformation. You easily fit its ergonomic design to your hand or attach it to your backpack with the help of a hook, and its several light intensity settings prevent power wastage. This flashlight is a necessity for all types of campers and adventurers as it acts like a trusty companion that never gets tired and always shows the way even in the dark. MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe Stove. The MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe Stove is the best choice for the lightest cooking solution for campers who want hot meals in the wild. It is small enough to be carried in a small backpack and powerful enough to boil water in a matter of minutes. Thus, it changes the whole experience of cooking at the campsite. Just think of the difficulties you would face trying to cook on an unstable fire in a rainstorm. Now picture making your instant soup or coffee in no time at all. The stove is very efficient with fuel, and the setup is very quick, which means all you have to do is camping fun. Its strong build is a guarantee of years of service, thus it is a must-have for people who appreciate effectiveness, convenience, and speed. Boozio 64-ounce water bottle. The Boozio 64-ounce water bottle is huge, but it is also surprisingly easy to carry, which makes drinking water during long hikes or camping trips very easy. Just think of being halfway into a walk and finding out that you have no water left. This bottle will make that nightmare a thing of the past. Its sturdy design can survive being dropped and scratched. and the wide opening allows for easy refilling or ice cube adding. Not only are you going to be hydrated, but also you will have the social aspect of sharing water with friends. What is more, the bottle's elegant design and size make it a talking point at the campsite. For who would not want to show off a giant but reliable water container that indeed fits in their bag? Grayl Ultralite Compact Purifier. Getting the Grayl Ultralite Purifier is a step that every camper should be taking who intends to go to places where water is not sure to be available. Within no time, it will filter and purify the water, thus bacteria, protozoa, and even viruses will be no more, eliminating them almost instantly. Suppose after a long hike, you come across a stream which is clear. But still, you are worried about the pathogens in the water. There is no need for such a worry, as Grayl will take that fear away in no time. The small size of the purifier makes it light enough to carry in your backpack, and it does not cause any inconvenience in movement. Besides, the operation of the purifier is so easy that even persons not familiar with it can carry it around and use it. One can view this product as an assurance of health with one's in pocket that supports the exploration and does not cause any stress over drinking water. Pufferfish. Awesome Sand Castle. Tools. It is hard to find the pufferfish sand castle tools among camping essentials if not for their fun aspect. However, they can be counted as among the camping essentials if a family is going to a beach or a lake trip where fun meets relaxation. They provide an avenue to kids and adults to easily make more realistic sand forms, and thus, in this way, create a fun and interactive activity out of the sleeping hours. Just picture yourself relaxing on a lake's edge while you are building sophisticated sand castles without having difficulty in getting raw materials, tools, or buckets. Happiness. The tools are made of light, durable, and easily washable materials, which makes them perfect both for transport and for storage. The fun aspect is not the only thing that these tools provide. They also help in family gathering and maintaining a playful atmosphere, which is a reminder that camping has not become just a matter of survival, but also of creating beautiful moments with nature. Which one would you choose as the first for your next adventure? Click like, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more insider gear tips and wild discoveries. Today is the day to upgrade your camping experience.